Today, the Shandong Good Brands on the industrial chain special topic, powering the new energy chain, was held at Laiwu factory of Sinotruk Jinan Truck Co Limited, Shandong Heavy Industry Group. Four enterprises are here to showcase their high-quality products. What specific products are they? Let's listen.
结合我们半岛的经济圈和整个山东省工业链稳力对齐全的这个优势，那么我们中国中企集团也会和行业内外、国际国内的最优秀的研发机构、供应链体系去协同发展，为咱们中国的新能源商用车发展、整个产业链的协同发展做出我们更大的贡献。
那对钢的这个替代的话，那铝是对天然的可以替代的。那在算力上是一定要有刚性的投入的。那魏桥国科已经在布局超强的一个算力中心啊，布局完成之后啊，我认为会超过80%-90%的新能源汽车这个行业的这个主机厂的这个算力。
这么多的新能源，又需要一个全新的应用网络，需要一个充电的网络，所以我们就建设了充电网。充电网是对上连接着我们的新能源和电网，对下链接着新能源汽车充电，是一个全新的新型基础设施网络。
一个产品呢，就是高性能、高压适密度的磷酸铁锂。现在目前我们做出了压适密度超过每立方厘米2.6克的高压式正极材料。一个解决了一个快充的问题，充电10分钟，续航600公里的超快充速度。
As a chainmaster enterprise in the industrial chain, Sinotruk plays a significant role in driving the growth of both upstream and downstream sectors. Now let's head to the next stop. Look, this passing by me is AGV delivery worker, and over there 110 robots are handling 96% of welding tasks, while the EMS monorail light transport component overhand. This place is truly bringing with smart manufacturing vitality.
From complete vehicles to materials, from charging to lightweight processing, the high-quality products of Shandong's new energy vehicle industrial chain fully demonstrate its strengths. This seamless cross-chain collaboration is laying a solid foundation for building a key national base for new energy vehicles.